Hi guys, my name's Hong and this is an Ablazing's build log of the CS110. When I say build log, it's not your standard build log, it's more of a vlog more than anything, and it's a good way for you to get to know me, and it'll be a bit more candid and a bit more raw. It will allow me to bring out more content to you, and it's a good way for you to get to know my personality. So I just want to mention that I'm doing the review for the CS110 and the Predator together, side by side. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, let's start the build log, shall we? Alright, let's start our build here. I don't have the flight controller at the moment, but we can surely continue without it, which is a pretty good idea. Yeah, no reason to not start it, right? We can do the motors, we can do the ESCs. Yeah, we'll do pretty much everything except for the camera and VTX, because we'll need the the power for that off the the PDB or the flight controller in this case. Alright, but first I should probably talk more about the CS110. So as the name suggests, it's from motor to motor is where's my ruler? Motor to motor is 90 minutes, 110, but let's have a look at the officially it's motor to motor, motor to motor is not 110, it's actually 102, 112, yeah, more like it, 112, huh. Yep, so motor 112. Let's go from side to side. about 80 millimeters, and then front to back, it's about 80 as well. Yeah, 80 as well. So it's a true X. It certainly it doesn't feel like a 2X. A true X, because it has a long body, so so it looks longer. It looks like stretch, but it's not. It's a true X. It's really cool. Really cool. So it should be very balanced for racing, which yeah, true X is it's pretty good for racing actually. So what else can we do? Let's check the get the caliper out and have a look here. So it's wait, let me reset this because it's a bit off. Alright, there we go. it's about 2.8. It's pretty much 3. 2.7, 2.8. Let me try this again. 2.7. Yep. 2.7. Yeah. I'm just double checking, triple checking. But 2.7 grams. 2.7 millimeters, which it's a bit thinner than 3 point, obviously 2.7 millimeters. And let's check the top plate. Shall we? 0.6, 0.7 millimeters. Yeah, it's really thin. See how wide the arms are. 5.3 millimeters for the arms. And see how wide the body is. The top plate at the top. 21.8 millimeters. Okay, and how wide the bottom is. 35.5. Tail section 21.8. See, does it go wide enough? But about 70 millimeters from the section, from that much is about 70 millimeters, I believe. Yeah, 70 millimeters. Alright, let's undo this fella. 3D printed mount for your antenna and your buzzer, which is really nice. Really nice detail there. Okay. Undo the screw here. What? Why is it not? Oh my god. Oh, no wonder. Oh my god. Jesus. Here we are. I was supposed to use these 20 amp 2-in-1s, ESCs, BS20 D-Shot 2-in-1s, but I'm gonna use this for another build that requires 20. So these motors, the Airblade 1104 10,000 kV motors from Airblade UAV, 10 amps should be enough for it. So if we don't cut the